Hello, David here, and the project for today is adding a battery to a Dell laptop. Never had a battery on it. What model is this? This is an XPS L502X. As you can see, the battery compartment is empty. A battery from Amazon, not a sponsor. It's from Communist China. Company is Solicen, S-O-L-I-C-E-N. Comes with a user manual. See if it fits. No, I think these things have to line up here. Oh, here we go. I had it in backwards. Okay, seems pretty sturdy. This is the latch to release it. Looks like the battery already has some power in it. Let's power up the laptop. It does have some power. Yeah, it's starting. I think we're good. I'm glad it fits. Okay, here's what I paid for it. It's $28.88 without the tax. Got a 12-month warranty. These are all the models it fits. And what I'm going to do is I'll provide an update if I have any problems with it. So far it looks like it's going to be working fine. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.